So again, I'm here with CJ, and we're going to go ahead and review the PR-531, known as the Comforter Lift Chair. It's available in 7 different size options, some going up as high as 700 pounds for the weight capacity. So if you're looking for a bariatric style chair, I would highly recommend the Comforter, the PR-531. Now, you could check the link in the description to see the chart that has all the different size options and all the specifications, the fabric choices, the color choices. But essentially what we're going to do is just demonstrate what these chairs look like, how they work. So let's go ahead and pull one of these out, CJ, and kind of demonstrate the different positions. So this is a comforter. Obviously, this is one of the specific sizes. Over here is a really, really wide one, but they all work the same. They have a very simplified remote control. And CJ, which zone option are we looking at here? Is option zone 1, right?
Zone 1.
So,
right. Yeah.
So with the comforter, you get the zone 1. So right now it's in the reclined position. That's position 1. Then it goes into the seated position, which would be position 2. And then last but not least, if you keep holding that up button, it's going to bring you into the lifted position. So you don't really get the headrest, the lumbar, and the independent controls for each different motor because, again, it's a zone 1 lift chair. However, this is one of the only models that you can upgrade to handle up to 700 pounds. And again, tons of different fabric choices. If you look at the remote, it's super easy to use. There's just one button to go up and one button to go down. So it's not going to be complicated. If you're looking for an easy to use lift chair, this is it. And by the way, there's a USB charging port on the top of the remote that you can use to charge your USB powered electronic devices. It's super comfortable. It's made out of some really comfortable material. And if you want to learn more about the comforter, just click on the link in the description below, or again, call our non-commissioned sales experts. They'd love to answer any questions that you might have. All right, so one other thing to consider, the comforter is available in smaller sizes, and you have the option to get more flexibility with the control in different zone options. CJ, do you mind explaining?
Right, absolutely. So when these models you can see here, the small, the medium, the large, and the tall are available in multiple zones as well. So the medium, the large, and the tall can be available in either a 1 zone, a 2 zone, or a 3 zone. So you can upgrade your comforter to either a 2 zone and then coming soon also a 3 zone.
So it seems like on these remotes, you have the ability to control the headrest, the leg rest independently, and those are going to give you more options when it comes to seating positions.
Absolutely, that's right.
So if you are looking for a bariatric, just keep in mind you're going to have a more simple setup with the option to have only 2 buttons on the remote control. With these zones 1, 2, and possibly in the future 3, you're going to have a lot more in terms of different seating positions, right?
Exactly.
Awesome. Thank you for that, CJ.
So many of our chairs can be lifted in the straight position, if that is more comfortable for the user. So what you see here is an example of that. The chair is literally going straight up as opposed to tilting forward. And that chair will stop when it's all the way at its top position. So depending upon your height, you might need it to go a little higher than somebody else. And that's compared to what we call the tilted lift position, where this chair is tilted just slightly forward to help you exit the chair. So you have 2 options for lifting assist included with all of our chairs at no extra charge.
That's awesome. I've definitely had some customers say that with the backrest kind of tilting forward, it kind of feels like it's pushing them out of the way, and with balance issues, that might be an issue. And like you said, with taller folks, having the straight lift feature, I could see that might be something that is preferred. And I tested it out. I think it's pretty good. I mean, I feel like I can get in and out easier without feeling like I'm sliding out of the chair, to be honest, on the straight lift feature. But again, it's all preference, and it's awesome to know that because they manufacture and assemble their products here in-house, they have an amazing facility. We've had the privilege to be able to tour it. It's amazing. I mean, they have such a great team. They're able to do these customizations in-house and get products out the door quickly. So if you don't want to feel like you're sliding out and you don't want that backrest to be tilting up against you while you're getting in and out of the chair, the straight lift feature might be something you want to consider. I mean, honestly, I've said it time and time again, CJ, these lift chairs are the most comfortable lift chairs on the market, hands down. And it's obvious that they are also the most robust and the most customizable. So, I just want to say thank you so much for giving us that explanation. We're going to be here filming a bunch of videos for every single one of the lift chairs offered by Golden Technology. So if you want to learn more about them, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, check out the Golden Technologies lift chair playlist. We're going to give you a rundown of pretty much every single model, including their powered mobility scooters and power wheelchairs. So again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and I'm here with CJ, who has been a great help. Just tons of knowledge that he's sharing with us. Thank you so much, CJ. I appreciate you. Until next time, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye. Before you go, please don't forget to visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and click on the green button that says Free Catalog to claim your very own free catalog. Just fill out the short form, and it should get to you in about a week or two max. I just want to take this time to personally thank each and every one of you for watching this video. We couldn't do it without our subscribers. So if you like our content, please go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and subscribe to our channel. You can enable notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever we release new videos. We're constantly making great videos. We have tons of playlists that range from repair videos, unboxing videos, research and development, and much, much more. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and ask any questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our audience, whether it's feedback, comments, or suggestions for a new video topic. We love hearing from you. None of this could be done without our loyal audience. We hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day.